Hi, it's Mr. Maxwell. I'm back here in Mundelein High School's awesome STEM lab, and today we're going to try and answer the question that everyone wants to know the answer to, and that is, do you wear your face mask white side out or blue side out? So I went ahead and prepared a sample stub for our SEM with the 3 parts of this mask, and I cut, as you can see, I cut a hole in there, and I have the white side, which is on the outside. There it is. Then here's the middle, and here goes the blue side. You can see that one's blue, kind of. And then I put those guys in order on this sample stub. So let's drop it in the SEM and see what the heck happens. So let's go ahead and load this guy up. Let's drop it down a little bit. Looks good. Let's make sure nothing's on there. And we'll put it right in the SEM. So I will load some pictures on our video. But as you can see on our SEM camera, we can see the 3 guys in the optical microscope. So, blue, middle, white. You can already see with the optical that these guys are, the blue and the white kind of look the same. And let's focus those guys a little bit better before we drop it into electron. Oh, that's pretty good. The white dude is really white, but we won't worry about that. Here we go. We'll come back when that's ready. Then we'll measure the size of some of these openings. They look pretty big. I mean, 200 microns, that's going to let viruses right through. All right, so let's go to the blue part. The focus is not bad. So let's take a picture. And let's go to the middle filter. Clearly much finer material. I'm gonna name it later. All right, so let's zoom in on this. It looks like there's a bunch of stuff in here, but like I want to know, like, is like a virus can pass through this little space right here? Maybe. Let's zoom in on it. Things are moving, so the picture is going to be a little goofy. Here's our 3 pictures. Blue. That's the white. That was on the outside, so that's what I was wearing on the outside. Here's the blue on the inside, so that makes me feel a lot better about myself. And here goes the middle, and we can do some measurements of these openings with our handy-dandy measuring tool. There it is. All right, so here's some measurements from the blue part. Here's some measurements for the white part. They have the same size openings. And here's the middle part. You can definitely see that there's much smaller openings. So in conclusion, here's our white part of the mask. Our EDS says 100% carbon. The blue part of the mask is also 100% carbon. So there you have it, people. You can put your mask out blue or out white. It doesn't matter because they're both the same. Adios.